In this lesson, we'll be learning how to estimate sums. We'll examine the steps that we can follow to estimate sums, and then we'll walk through some examples using those steps. Now, when we're trying to estimate sums, we're going to round each of the numbers to the place value specified and then add the rounded numbers together. So let's look at some examples. Estimate 789 plus 63 by rounding each of the numbers to the nearest 10. So 789. So let's look for the value in the tens place. 8 is in the tens place, and because 8 is greater than 5, we're going to round up, and that becomes 790. And then 63. 6 is in the tens place, but 3 is less than 5, so we're going to round down to 60. And then we can add the numbers together. 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 plus 6, we have 15, so we write 5 here and we bring 1 up here. 1 plus 7 is 8. So that's what we mean. Next example, estimate 5,284 plus 1,684 by rounding each of the numbers to the nearest thousand. So 5,284 and then 1,684. So we want to round to the nearest thousand, which is this position right here. So therefore, we look at the number to the right of that position, and we can see here that 2 is less than 0. So, 2 is less than 5, so we're going to round down to 5,000. And then we look at 1,684. This is the thousand position. We look at the number to the right of the position we're interested in. That number is greater than 5. So we can see that because of that, we're going to round up to 2,000. And then we can add these numbers together. And we have 7,000. Next example. Estimate the sum of 7,651, 7,651 and 782 by rounding the number to the nearest 100. So we look at the 100 position here, which is 6. And then we look at the number to the right. This is 5. So anything 5 or greater is going to round up. So we now have 7,700. And then we look in the 100 position here, which is 7. We look number to the right. It is 5 or greater. So we're going to round up to 800. And then we add the numbers together. 0 plus 0, 0, 0, 7 plus 8, 15. We write 5, we bring 1 up here. 1 plus 7, we have 8. And then our final example, estimate the sum of 2,801 and 6,354 by rounding the numbers to the nearest thousand. So 6,354, 2,801. So now we're going to, the number in the 1,000 position is 6. We look to the right, that number is less than 5. So we're going to round down to 6,000. The number in the 1,000 position here is 2. We look to the digit on the right, it is 5 or more. So we're going to round up to 3,000. And then we add the numbers together, and we have 9,000.